then the second question was about consent from the participants. What is the process and the IRB review?
Yes. I can't remember if the booklet that we passed over has the IRB summary in there. If it doesn't, we can definitely share it with you. But the IRB process, as you all know very well, is very unique to each institution. So our IRB process with our school, it does require a lot of guidelines, forms, and things. Other schools have simpler processes. Maybe some have more complicated processes. But in general, when we do our own deliberative polls on behalf of our school, then we do have to engage IRB to share with them, what kind of discussion the participants will be going through, sharing with them, the schedule, the length of the event, and whether they will be receiving any compensation and any follow-up. And so there is some consent that we have to do. I don't know the IRB process within your institutions, unfortunately, but this is something we can definitely sit down and review together and figure out what types of materials we have to submit and make sure we, of course, do it on time, because I know that there's a lot of bureaucracy involved.
Okay, I think at this time we should wrap up the Q&A and move into our mock deliberation. Are there any last questions for Alice before we let her go? No? Okay, thank you very much, Alice.
Thank you very much. It's been great. I'm excited for your role playing right now. I hope it brings a little more fun and to everything we've talked about, because I know it's been very abstract, just kind of talking about what the process would be like. So this will give you a little idea of what actually a deliberation is like. And when we debrief later, of course, we will set up time to follow up and meet after this. So I'm looking forward to that as well. Thank you very much.
You should take 5 minutes. Pretend that you are participants in a deliberative poll. So you will have already taken the initial questionnaire. Then you will have been sent a briefing document. There's a briefing document in here, just a few pages. Read it over so you can discuss. So spend 5 minutes reading it. I'll finish my email to William while you're doing that. Further money in, should it be sewage or road paving or whatever? So you've got the 8 infrastructure topics, then there are some other topics too. These are possible topics for further investment. That's all you need to know. So please spend a minute reading the briefing materials now, and then we'll start. We can reveal different possibilities. Now, I think that the person who starts should first say, welcome to this deliberation. We want a process where we share our thinking about the issues posed in the briefing document. You can go around, and would everybody go around the room and just Say who you are and maybe what interested you in coming to this event. Remember, you're all drawn in the random sample.